So continue. Very, very good questions. Siman, Sif number 13. Some say that even if an entrance does not have doors, it requires mezuzah. And others say that in order to require mezuzah, an entrance might have doors. Okay, so let's read commentary. So I mean, clear as you can understand, there are two opinions. One say if there is a door, if on the doorpost, that's the entryway. If there is no door, so maybe we don't need a mezuzah. Commentary. This is derived from the fact that the word sha'ar, gate, upon which the Torah requires the mezuzah to be affixed, as it says, on a doorpost of your house and upon the doorpost of your gates, connotes an opening with a door. So it doesn't matter you say door or your gates, right? It still says connection to the door. Rabbi in response cited case of Mishnah, Hilchas Tefillin u'Mezuzah. Okay. In this case, as in no case, the disputed requirement, one should affix mezuzah but do not recite blessing. So okay. So as we could figure out ourselves, so in all of the questionable situations, when some say require mezuzah, some say do not require mezuzah, you just do without the blessing. But I would say, like I would add that just for example, you move to the new apartment, just go through all of the rooms, all of these entrances, and make sure that you counted all of these like questionable things. So you have, when you are ready to install mezuzah, you have all of the extra mezuzahs for all of the questionable entrances. So you say only one blessing, and you can install mezuzahs even on those. So in case it needed mezuzah, so it's covered by your original blessing. Okay, go ahead. Question?
Yeah. So one more of these now. Let's say in Israel they want to be nice to the Haredi Jews, Naftali Bennett and his crew, and so they're like, what are we gonna do on the jail cells? We're gonna start putting mezuzahs. Do you have to put a mezuzah on a jail cell?
I would say yes.
Okay.
100%. I mean, people live there. Yeah? Maybe. I'm not sure. Like, I would say the only issue that I see, right? The only issue is the bathroom. But I'm not sure how this how these cells are configured. If they have a bathroom, like is it separated? Is the wall like even not till all the way till to the floor? So I would say it would depend on a bathroom. Okay. Therefore, one should not affix mezuzah until he first hangs the door in the entranceway. Okay, so here they give a little different explanation. So do not affix mezuzah, do not hang the door until he first hangs an entranceway. Okay. So first he said first hang the door and then install mezuzah. One reason that one should not affix the mezuzah first and then attach the door is because the requirements you shall make it and not use that which was already made. Okay. The reason the mezuzah must be affixed to the entrance that already require mezuzah. So I mean, if it's not finished, it does not require mezuzah. It's very close to what you asked before. If it's not complete construction. Therefore, in the case of mezuzah is not valid, it must be taken off and affixed anew. Okay. See above 9.6 for a broader discussion of this rule and its exceptions. Okay. So continue.
But let's say a mezuzah let's say it's on one doorpost, you take it off and put it on another doorpost. Does that count as a new mezuzah or no?
Yes. You have to say blessing. We say even if it fell off, like some people put it. I'm not sure why, but they put it with a Scotch tape or the regular tape. I'm not sure. Don't ask me why. It's like and usually who do it, rich people.
Mm-hmm.
People who can afford, I don't know, what a helicopter. They use the Scotch tape. Such a disgusting.
Let's say somehow, I don't know, but let's say the mezuzah itself stayed on the wall. The actual parchment stayed, but the casing fell off. Now, what are you supposed to do at that point? Do you have to say the bracha or no?
No.
Uh-huh.
So the main part of the mezuzah is a parchment, as you said.
Yeah.
So this casing is just the way to protect the mezuzah first of all, and to hang it somewhere somehow.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
So in that situation, are you allowed to take off the mezuzah itself to put it back in the case? And if you take it off, do you have to say the bracha?
Oh, in this case, yes. In this case, you need to say blessing.
But are you allowed to take the mezuzah off in the first place?
In general?
No, let's say the case fell and you want to put it back in the case. Then put the mezuzah back on. Are you allowed to take off the mezuzah?
Yes, I'm not getting the situation. So what fell? The case with the scroll fell?
No. The parchment stayed. I don't know how the parchment stayed on.
Yeah.
But the case fell. Now you're stopping the mitzvah now because you took it off.
Yes.
It's allowed, right?
So yeah, okay. So if you want to take off mezuzah, put it in a case and put it back on this doorpost, so you would need to say another blessing.
Understood.